everyone, Miss Stacy here. Today I thought we'd play a little math game. We are talking about community helpers in the Shining Star class, so I thought we would incorporate that in our little math game. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a square, do the addition problem, and then reveal community helper. Okay, so let's begin. I'm going to make my little square here smaller. So why don't we pick red? So there are a couple ways you can do when you're doing addition. You can use your fingers to count. So you can hold up, so our equation is 1 plus 6. So you can hold up one finger and then 6 fingers and count those up. You can use manipulatives like Legos. You can put one Lego out and then 6 Legos out and count them. But what we're going to do is we're going to use the count on method. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the first number, which is 1, and we're going to count on past that. So the number after 1 is 2, and we're going to count starting from 2 until we hit the 6th number. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 1 plus 6 is 7. Let's see what the community helper is. A mail carrier. Mail carriers are very important, especially right now, because I'm sure a lot of you guys have packages being delivered, maybe from Amazon or from DoorDash or from special places. So mail carriers are very important. They get our messages to us. Why don't we jump to orange up here? So we have 6 plus 3. So we're going to count on. So the number after 6 is 7. 7, 8, 9. So 6 plus 3 is 9. And our community helper is a police officer. They make sure our community is safe. They make sure if you're ever in trouble or you need help, you can call them at 911, only for emergencies, and they'll be there to help you. How about we jump to orange? So 9 plus 3. Counting on, number after 9 is 10. So we're going to count from 10, 10, 11, 12. So 9 plus 3 is 12. And the community helper is a hairdresser. Fortunately, right now we can't go to the hairdresser or the salon or the barber, but hopefully one day it'll be open and we can get our hair done. How about we go to purple? So we have 5 plus 5. Counting on, the number after 5 is 6. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5 is 10. And that is a bus driver. Bus drivers are very important. Not only do bus drivers take children to school, but bus drivers help with public transportation. They pick people up, take them from one place to the other. They're very important. How about you guys try the next one? So why don't we jump to dark blue over here? So we have 2 plus 4. So I'm going to give you a second to try to figure that one out on your own, and then I'm going to help you. So what is 2 plus 4? Okay, so 2 plus 4, if we're counting on, the number after 2 is 3. So we have 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. And the community helper behind this is... Oh, it was a chef. We have a cook. Cooks are very important. They make sure the food we eat is safely cooked to the right temperature. If we go to restaurants, they are there to make sure our food is delicious and yummy. One day, hopefully, our restaurants are open again. We can all eat our yummy food. How about we jump to dark green? 3 plus 2. So counting on from 3 is 4, 5. So 3 plus 2 is 5. And the community helper is a lifeguard. Lifeguards are very important when you go to a big body of water, whether that's a pool or a beach, maybe a lake. There's somebody who's trained in CPR and first aid. So in case anybody's ever drowning or is not safe in the water, there's a lifeguard there who's trained to make sure that they can help you and save you in case there's an emergency situation. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I want you guys to pause this video right now, and I want you guys to try to figure out each equation. So pause the video, and I want you to figure out each color, do the math, and then you're gonna unpause and we're gonna reveal the answers. So pause the video, and when you're ready, come back and we'll reveal the answers. Okay, welcome back. So let's see. Let's start up here with 10 plus 4. What answer did you get? I hope you got 14 because the answer is 14. Let's see what the community helper is. Firefighters. They are very important to our community. If there's ever an emergency with fire or smoke or anything in your house, you call 911 and they'll dispatch you to a firefighter who will come and help. Let's try yellow. 7 plus 1. What answer did you get? The answer is 8. And the community helper is a sanitation worker. They make sure to take our trash, our recycling, our compost, and put it where it needs to go. They sort it correctly. Moving on to pink, we have 4 plus 3. The answer to that was 7. And our community helper is a doctor. Doctors are very important right now. They're doing a lot with the coronavirus. They're making sure they're doing their best to take care of all the people who are sick or suffering right now. So make sure you're doing your best to keep your germs from spreading. Cover your mouth when you cough. Let's go down to blue. We have 8 plus 4. So did you guys get 12? I hope you got 12. And the community helper is a teacher. Teachers. Okay, so we're at 5 plus 6. Let's see what that is. What did you get? 11. So the community helper is a construction worker. They help build the homes that we live in, or the buildings and the stores that we go to. And our last one, we have 7 plus 5. The answer to that was 12. So our last community helper is a farmer. Farmers grow the foods that we eat, and then the chefs cook those foods that we eat, that the farmers grow, and then we eat them. So it's all connected. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little math lesson and a little review about community helpers, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!